Our reggae girl legend, Konya Plummer. First of all, absolute legend. First of all, absolutely amazing game today. How does it feel to be back playing first team football at the highest level?
Honestly, it take a lot of guts, a lot of work. So just being out there, I'm proud of where I'm at right now, and I keep moving on.
How did it feel to be back in front of the fans at the National Stadium today?
Honestly, it was a great feeling just to see our Jamaican people came out and support us.
Alright, this is our first time getting to talk to you after the World Cup. Speak to us about that experience, being a part of that squad, pushing for a second round berth.
I think honestly, it was. I mean, it's great. There's a lot of history created in the World Cup, and I'm just happy that I was there to experience it.
Alright, so obviously during the World Cup you probably weren't back to your absolute fitness, the peak of your career. Because we never saw you got on the field as much, and today we saw you play and you absolutely belong. So speak to us about how it felt, not necessarily playing in the World Cup.
Anyways, the mark of the World Cup was something I was looking forward for. Having a baby, then I get the opportunity to focus on the World Cup, and I went out there and made the roster, and I support my team in the best way I can. Whether even though I didn't get any game, I think just being there was good enough.
Alright, so today's game, as I said, you had a very good game individually, but speak to us about the team's performance.
The result wasn't what we wanted, and it's just two. So we keep moving. We have another game. We have to focus on that.
What do you think? What challenges do you think you will face in Toronto in a few days' time?
I mean, nothing different than we're facing now. So it's just having a different mindset. Things that we didn't do well, we just have to focus on that and fix it for the next game.
And lastly, before I let you go, Konya, what's one message you'd give to the fans going into the game on Tuesday?
Well, thank you, Jamaican fans, for coming out. We appreciate the support, and we're looking forward to see you guys in Toronto.
Alright, thank you so much and good game today.